Greetings, my fellow investigators. My name's Christopher Bohse, and I'm a CCAI CFI, here to invite you to CCAI's 70th year anniversary celebration and conference. At this year's conference will be taking place on October 21st through the 24th at the Embassy Suites Hotel in San Louis Obispo. I am totally fired up about this seminar, so register today because the remaining seats are burning with potential leads. Are you feeling the burn yet?
I have made fire!
We're back again to tell you about the third and final training track that you can look forward to at this year's conference. This is the one that you can depend on to make sure that you're grounded in all your fundamentals. Jeff has been a full-time fire investigator in the industry for 36 years, and he's been CCAI's top choice instructor for this class since the spring of 2020.
I'd offer everybody some French fries, but these are going to be a little extra crisp.
Here's a man who really turned up the heat on remote learning. Even during the pandemic, this man's lessons were lit. In this class, you'll be given an overview of the 16 different subject matters that all fire investigators are required to have expertise in, according to NFPA 1033. You might want to pause this for a second to catch it all. Look, if you're a new fire investigator or you've got a lot of experience but you kind of just want to refresh yourself on all the fundamentals of fire investigation, then this is definitely the class for you. I've personally taken Jeff's class. He's an outstanding instructor with decades of experience in the field that he's willing to share with you. It's a privilege to learn from him. It was a great class, and I'm looking forward to taking it again. In fact, here's a clip of me interning for him one summer. Let's take a look. To sign up for the conference, you can register today and online by logging into arson.org, or you can call the CCAI office during business hours at the number below. That's 909-865-5004. Well, that's all the time we have for this video. As you can see, we've got a lot to look forward to this seminar, and I look forward to seeing all of you there. To all my investigators out there, keep digging, stay safe.